Okay, this lesson is over solving one-step equations, multiplication, and division. The same three concepts apply that we took in our notes on page 16. I just rewrote them for you. You're performing the opposite operation, you're keeping your equation balanced, and you're showing your algebraic step. Again, I cannot stress enough how important it is to show the step. Okay? Now, to solve the equations today, we're either going to be multiplying or dividing. Let me give you an example. We solved equations with models in class today, something that looked like this. Okay? This means that 4 times some number equals 12. And we've got to figure out what x is equal to make this true. Well, 4 times some number. The opposite of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. Please notice how I am showing the division and how it looks different than what we did a couple of days ago. To show addition or subtraction, we showed the operation in front of the number. Here, to show division, I am using a fraction bar to show that division. Okay? Now, 4 divided by 4 is just 1, so that leaves me with 1x. I can put the 1 in front of the x, but I don't have to. 1x and x are the same thing. So 1x equals 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay? Look at this one. Negative 3x equals 9. Now, the opposite of multiplying by negative 3 is dividing by negative 3. Okay? Notice I didn't use the opposite sign. It's not the opposite sign, it's the opposite operation. And the opposite of multiplying by negative 3 is dividing by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. 1x equals, now remember your integer rules. 9 divided by negative 3. You go ahead and you do the division, and then we've got different signs, right? Different signs not getting along. That's negative. Okay? You might also see something that looks like this. X divided by 7 equals 2. Okay? And we've got to figure out what number divided by 7 will give us an answer of 2. Now, the opposite of dividing by 7 is multiplying by 7. If I multiply both sides of the equation by 7, now this will cancel out, cross cancel, and I'm left with x equals 2 times 7 is 14. X divided by negative 2 equals 8. Essentially, all you're doing is cross multiplying. What's down here? There's a 1 under that 8, right? 1 times x is x. X equals 8 times negative 2 is 16, and it's negative. All right, let's do a few problems, teacher, student. All right, first one I'm going to do is negative 4x equals 16. The opposite of multiplying by negative 4 is dividing by negative 4. Please notice how I am showing that division with a fraction bar. You must show this step. That is your algebraic step. I want to see it, or it is wrong. Okay, these cancel, so x equals 16 divided by negative 4 is negative 4. Okay, you can do this one. Negative 5x equals 55. Let's do another one. I'm going to do negative 6x equals negative 72. The opposite of multiplying by negative 6 is dividing by negative 6. These cancel. Now, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, right? These same signs, they're getting along. So 72 divided by 6 is 12. So now you can do this one. Negative 12x equals negative 60. Okay, let's do x divided by 8 equals 12. The opposite of dividing by 8 is multiplying by 8. You can really just cross multiply. X equals 12 times 8. If you need to come over to the side and do that, that is 96. You can do this one. X divided by 7 equals 9. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do x divided by negative 3 equals negative 12. Okay, the opposite of dividing by negative 3, I'm going to cross multiply, is multiplying by negative 3. X times 1 equals x. Negative 12 times negative 3. That's two gangsters getting along. That's positive 36. And the last one I'm going to give you, x divided by negative 10 equals negative 8. Okay, do these 4 problems and come with them done in class tomorrow, which is Friday. There will be a lesson quiz, so be ready to do this work. See you tomorrow. Bye.